We're here from Pulong Village in the 2020 TEFI Vietnam Walking Workshop. It's the first walking workshop here in Vietnam, and it's an incredible experience to see what's going on in the field and on the ground in community-based tourism through homestays, and there's different practitioners and academics represented from 8 different nations, and it's really nice to be out of the classroom, being able to see exactly what's going on, hearing different people speak on different expertise from community-based tourism to decolonization methodologies. And the practicality of everything is really important because you can't capture everything through writing papers, reading papers, but actually seeing things on the ground level gives you a great perspective on what's actually going on. Not to mention fosters and spurs innovative ideas that can be transformed into different research projects or opportunities to actually contribute back to society. One of our main goals here. It's one of the most fulfilling and unique experiences I've ever been a part of, with a world-class team of scholars represented from various regions of the world: Aalborg University, Girona University, Texas A&M University, and just the intangibles I've gained from this trip will take me a little bit to digest and write on, but it's just been an incredible experience that I will take forward with me into my future scholastically and otherwise.